Okay, we're in Hampstead, North London, and we have a waste disposal that's tripped the electrics. So we need to isolate the electrics from the unit and then check the unit with its continuity. It's a loose connection. Okay, right. Well, we'll get this one taken off as well. Yeah. Okay, we've resolved the problem. It was a chafed wire leaking against the earth and the lathe. We've tested it, put it back together. That's fine. Okay, this appliance has something rattling inside. Which we'll look for. And I think it's a piece of plastic. This one we removed some plastic pieces. Right. Sounds better, doesn't it? Yep. Done. Let's have a look at a torch again, just have a shine down there, see if make sure it's nothing else.
Yeah.
Just make sure it's nice and clear. Yep, fine. Right, okay, so that's it. Done, sorted.